Greens family, this is Bomani Tyehimba, and here with one of our good brothers from our Ghana tour, October 2014, and we're at UBA, United Bank for Africa. And yes, my brother just signed up for his two accounts, his current account and also his Treasury Bill account. And we talked about Treasury Bill investments over the years, and that's one of the best investments that you can do here in Ghana. The annual interest rate peaks at about anywhere from like 20 to 24%. So basically, you're getting about $20 to $24 on every $100 that you invest. That's an awesome investment. So you're thinking about the more you put, like a few thousand, it's going to add up. It's incredible. You can go to the Bank of Ghana website and you'll see the list of the Treasury Bill rates. And all you have to do is open up a current account. And my brother, how has the experience been? You just been all smiles.
Well, it's new for me, but I'm happy. I feel good. I know it's a real bank. It's not bootleg. And the reason I opened up the account because I plan on repatriating to Ghana, and I wanted to set a foundation, and I know I can do that through the bank so that they can see that I'm serious about being here.
Excellent. And same thing GIPC was saying, Ghana Investment Promotion was saying, for us to get your money set up in the bank. That way that gets you in the game, so when it's time to make moves, time to acquire your land, time to get your business set up, you already have that portion already set up. And the good thing about it, while you're waiting to get things going, your money is gaining interest every year or every 90 days. So it's really a good solid foundation, and that is the way you want to do it. Because if say if you put a few thousand in and 10 years later you come back, all that interest is just gaining interest. And if you have big money, you can actually be here and repatriate and live off the interest. That's how good these investments are. You have anything else you want to share as far as the figures, the numbers, or the clarity of the process that we just went through?
The process is pretty simple. You need your passport, ID, of course, a reference.
But yeah, actually, you have to have a reference. So I'm the reference for our group, and if you want an account in Ghana, you have to have someone local or someone who have established business to get that account. So that's set up perfect for our group. That way, when our group comes, we can just get everybody in the bank. They sign for accounts, assign as their reference, and we can just start the investment. So we have a nice process. But the thing of it is, you have to be here in Ghana. UBA does have a processing center in New York, but that's all it is, a processing center. You can't sign for accounts there. So you have to come to Ghana with us and we get you all set up. So family, before we close, I just want to let you know this, really think about coming to Ghana, taking a tour, taking the journey of a lifetime tour. So you can not only come here and start your investment, but you can make your way around the country. That way you can know why you're doing certain investments. And also, and that's why it's so important that we do the tour, because the tour clarifies things. It makes you understand that this is where you want to be. And if you don't feel like this is where you want to be, at least you know up front. So family, until next time, once again, we're live on Revolutionary Camp. This is Bomani Tyehimba at UBA, United Bank for Africa.
Peace.
And we're doing our accounts.